All right, so let's go ahead and work through my budget for this week. I'm paid weekly. My business direct deposits my check to answer your question. For a quarter of the amount. So when you see me write out these bill amounts, it's a quarter of the total amount for the bills, okay? So let's go ahead and go through and do bills. My iPad was dead, so I'm having to do this on my budget sheet notepad. So for rent, we are going to be adding $250. Utilities is going to get $50. T-Mobile's getting $30. Streaming is getting $25. Our internet is getting $30. Self-lender, I'm gonna go ahead and add 30 because I need to. I'm doing something different with them. And my car insurance is going to get $50. My credit card's not getting anything this week because I haven't charged anything outside of my budgeted amounts. So my total here for this category is $465. So what I go ahead and do is subtract $465 from $1,200. And that leaves me with $735 to work with. So this money, if you are a new cash stuffer, you can just do it in the bank, just budget it out and move that money to your bill account. That's really what I recommend until you're able to get a month ahead. Next up, we're gonna do cash envelopes, which are variable expenses, the money that I carry inside my wallet for day-to-day spending. $100 in gas. We're gonna do 50 for groceries. We don't really need anything. Dining out is gonna get 50 as well. Spending money is going to get 20. And help a human, I think I have rollover, so I don't need anything in there this time. So our total here is $220. Sorry, that's so sloppy. So we're gonna do $735 minus $220. So that leaves us with $515. Now you can choose from this point to go on to sinking funds, but I prefer to set aside the money for my savings before I contribute to my sinking funds. So I have $515 to work with. So I have to do my 52-week challenge. And this week I am supposed to add $12, and that'll make us a total of $78. So I need $12 for my 52-week challenge. And for my monthly challenge, I need to add $4 this week. Wait. So I'm gonna add those two up, and that's $16. So after that $16, I should have nothing left. All right, I'm also trying to save $100,000 this year, so I'm going to go ahead and put 100 from this check, and I'll transfer 100 over in my bank account as well. So that I can be saving the cash and doing it digitally. I just love working with cash. So we have let me do this real quick. 735 minus 220. Okay, so we had 515 left to work with here. And then 515 minus, so if we add up all of our savings, we have $116. So 515 minus this 116 gives us $399 to put into our sinking funds, which is a pretty good amount. So now let's go through and work on those sinking funds. So the very first one I want to contribute to is emergency, because I try to add $25 to there at least every time. I'm also going to do Christmas. I'm going to add $25 there. And I'm also, where is it? My medical. I'm going to add $50 to medical. So that leaves us with $299, and I'm just going to fill in the rest of my sinking funds with that. All right, so we have all of our sinking funds, and those add up to $399. So if you look at my budget here, I was paid. Here's my, ooh, that's so sloppy. So I was paid $1,200. From that $1,200, I set aside $465 for 1/4 of this month's bills. I set aside money to spend daily, right? So here are my cash envelopes. We put money towards our future savings goals here with our sinking funds, and I put some money towards some personal savings and some monthly savings challenges that I do. And we went from $1,200 to zero. We gave every dollar a place.